Hey, what's up everybody? It's Landon with LMR.com, and it's our favorite day of the week. It's dyno day. And the car we have on the dyno is our 1994 white Cobra. This is a pretty neat car. It does have a 5/8 swap with an old school set of GT40X aluminum cylinder heads, old school Motorsport A332 camshaft, Lightning lower intake, Cobra upper intake, BBK 65mm throttle body, stock airbox with 24-pound injectors. Walking our way to the rear of the car, Ford Racing Shorty headers, off-road X-pipe, Flowmaster catback, still rocking the T5 transmission, so our pull's gonna be made in 4th gear, which is our 1-to-1 ratio. Aluminum drive shaft, and the car does have a set of 355 rear end gears. That is a 17-inch rear wheel with a 275/40/17 tire. As far as fuel is concerned, we do have 93 octane fuel in the tank. So you guys that watch the dyno videos all know the drill. Take a quick trip around the car, make sure we're good to go. We're gonna make it hit. All right guys, we got some results and we have some interesting things for you. Now I got a lot of information here, so I wrote it all down. That way I'm not pulling it out of thin air or trying to remember it off the top of my head. So at first, when we made our first pull, the car didn't make any power at all. We thought, what the heck? The curve even looked a little wonky up in the higher RPM power band. So our first pull, we made 237 horsepower at 4,400 RPM and 299 pound-feet of torque at 3,700 RPM. So quick investigation, we checked the timing. Previously when it was set, I don't think we read the harmonic balancer correctly.
Well, timing's on 0.
It was at 0 degrees. So no duh, it's not gonna make any timing. So got a timing light on it, got it to 14 degrees, made another hit, and that made all the difference. On the second run with the 14 degrees of timing, the car made 268 horsepower at 4,600 RPM and 334 pound-feet of torque at 3,700 RPM. Now just to clear the air, yes, with a 5.8 liter swap, the car should make more power. But again, this is some old school mods here. We've got aluminum GT40X cylinder heads and a Motorsport A332 camshaft. That's period correct, you know, for the mid to late 90s. So again, yes, we can make more power, but this is what we got. And being that it's choked up, it's making some pretty good power. Now, just because we can, let's compare the two runs. 0 degrees of timing versus 14 degrees of timing. At peak, it made 31 horsepower and 35 pound-feet of torque. Now, here's where it gets really cool and really good. Throughout the curve, we saw approximately 90 pound-feet of torque in the curve. That's huge. You're definitely gonna feel that on the street, and approximately 45 horsepower in the curve. So kind of a cool little curveball to show you guys. We thought it was pretty neat, so we shared it for all of you. Guys, if you like this stuff, like the video. Subscribe for more dyno videos and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And until we see you back on the dyno for the next one, keep it right here with the real Mustang enthusiasts, LMR.com.